welcome back to this channel.
So we are creating a tapered look without necessarily cutting our hair. Something edgy.
That's basically what this video is about. Woo.
Okay, so I'm starting this on clean, dry hair. When I stretch my hair, it makes work much easier. Otherwise, you could do it on wet to damp hair. Materials you need are hair gel or a styling cream, hair pins or bobby pins, hair brush or comb, hair ties or hair elastics, clippers, clips. Yeah, basically that's it. So well, our canvas is ready for styling, and so I usually start by sectioning the front part, which we shall call the U part. So I'm going to flatten the sides and the back to give the illusion of a tapered effect, creating the illusion of a shorter back and sides. Looking at the mirror to get these lines clean somewhat. I'm not so good with lines. Yeah, but it's good to try so you get to enjoy your hairstyle. So to flat twist, I divide a small section of hair. I take my curling cream or styling cream and apply, starting from the tips, moving downwards. So I start twisting the two sections of hair around each other. So basically with a flat twist out, you're twisting two sections of hair around each other the way you would with a regular twist. The difference with this one is you're making it close to the scalp, making it flat basically. Yeah, so you just twist two sections of hair around each other, gently incorporating hair along that part into the twist as you move, keeping the twist as close to the scalp as possible. So as you move, you realize that hair gets tangled. You may want to apply product and or use a comb to detangle it. Practice makes perfect, because at some point I was not like this. So I see progress. Making clean lines, flat twisting all need patience and persistence. If you want to unravel the front part immediately, then you may sit under hooded dryer. What happens at this point, I'm oiling the scalp. So these right here, I'm going to use bobby pins to secure them, and then unravel this and fluff. Use my hands to fluff it, and that's basically it. So you see, twisting on dry hair gives a bit of volume. It gives more volume and length. I just love the volume that comes with styling on dry hair. Now compare that to this. This is on wet hair all through the flat twist I've already done, and now for the top or front, I would call it, I've chosen to do the regular twist and not flat twist. Apply my cream, getting it all in there. This gives a wet look, of course, because I'm doing it on wet hair, so that juicy kind of, you know. Well, it's more about one's preference. So I don't love doing twists on wet hair because my hair shrinks so much. See how juicy they look. So after that dry, I apply some oil into my palms and proceed to unravel, twisting to the opposite direction that I twisted.
so it's easy to unravel. If you have thick hair, then this would just be enough, because you would find that all this area would be covered with hair and your twists would even look thicker. But since I have fine hair, then I have to further separate this into smaller sections, and this is how I do it. So you want to pull this strand up so you can see exactly where the hair naturally wants to separate, and that will also minimize frizz and encourage definition.
I'm certain this hairstyle will take you till your next wash day about a week or two, because this definition on 4C is just another level. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and you're welcome to subscribe if you're new. See you in our next video. Bye.